Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to use and how to enable standby mode on iPhone. Follow these simple steps to enable standby mode or clock mode. First of all, go to your iPhone settings and make sure to update iOS version 17. And then scroll down. Here you'll get this standby option, so tap on it. Now enable standby, and you can enable display night mode option from here. You can also enable show notifications. And now to enable standby mode, all you have to need just plug in the charging cable. Once your iPhone is charging, put your iPhone in a stand, and as you can see right now the stand mode has been enabled. So this is how we can use and enable standby mode on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.